AS level maths, okay, my year 12 students, okay, quickly going over gradients of straight lines and perpendicular lines in this video lesson. So it says the line L1 has equation 3x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. Pardon me, excuse me. Part A, find the gradient of L1. So we want it in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where the value of m is our gradient, so the coefficient of x is our gradient, okay, gradient function. Okay, so I'm going to first of all start by adding 2 to both sides. So we got 5y plus 3x is equal to 2. I'm then going to subtract 3x on both sides. So we got 5y is equal to minus 3x plus 2. Divide both sides of my equation or formula by 5. We get y is equal to minus 3 over 5 or minus 3/5 or negative 3/5 plus 2 over 5 or plus 2/5. So the gradient of L1, guys, is minus 3/5, okay, or negative 3/5, or any equivalent fraction or decimal format. Next up, the line L2 is perpendicular, okay, very important, to L1 and passes through the point 3,1. Part B, find the equation of L2 in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m and c are constants. So perpendicular lines are lines that meet at right angles, so meet at 90 degrees. And also their gradients are negative reciprocals of one another, i.e. the gradients multiplied to make minus 1 or negative 1. So the gradient of L1 is minus 3/5. The negative reciprocal of minus 3/5 will be positive 5 over 3 or positive 5/3, because it will be negative or minus minus, and then if I flip it, so turn it upside down, okay, the two minuses make a plus there, so we get positive or plus 5 over 3 or 5/3. So that's the gradient here of L2. So my answer is going to be in the format y is equal to 5 over 3x or 5/3 x or 5 over 3 lots of x plus c. I'm now going to substitute in x is 3 and y equals 1 to work out the value of c, because it passes through that point and this point lies on it. So we got 1 is equal to 5/3 multiplied by 3, so 5/3 times 3, and then we've got that plus c or add on c. 5/3 times c, well, that'll be 15/3, which is equal to 5. So we got 1 is equal to 5 plus c. To get 5 on its own, yeah, I'm currently adding 5 or plusing 5, so I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides to get c on its own. 1 minus 5 equals minus 4, so minus 4 is equal to plus c, so c is equal to minus 4. So the equation of L2 is y is equal to 5 over 3 lots of x, so 5/3 x minus 4. And that's in the format y is equal to mx plus c. That's a bit dark, sorry, I apologise. Let me put it in like a lighter form. There we go, that's much better. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so this is looking at gradients here and perpendicular lines for AS Pure Maths, but can appear here for GCSE Higher Tier Maths. Sorry about the little noise at the back, I apologise about the noise at the back. Okay, there's a motorbike, okay, couldn't have come at a worse time. But yeah, hopefully you caught that bit, okay? But yeah, this appears here for year 12 maths, so AS and A2 maths, but is appropriate for GCSE higher tier maths as well, although the marks may differ for GCSE maths. But this was from an AS paper aimed at year 12 students here, okay, for Edexcel exam board on the old spec, okay, looking at coordinate geometry, so equations of straight lines.